In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Canva update issues. If Canva refuses to update, gets stuck while downloading, or crashes right after an update, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially when you're trying to finish an important design, presentation, or video project. The good news is that this usually isn't a major problem. In most cases, update issues are caused by temporary cache files, device software that needs refreshing, or too many background apps competing for resources. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can get Canva running properly again. First, before changing anything on your device, check whether the problem is actually coming from Canva's side. Open your web browser and go to status.canva.com. Once the page loads, look at the service indicators for areas like the editor, apps, and login features. If you see an outage or incident being reported, the best thing to do is wait for Canva to resolve it. If everything is showing as operational, then the issue is most likely limited to your device, and you can move on to the next fix. Next, clear Canva's cache. This is one of the most common ways to resolve update problems because cached temporary files can interfere with new versions installing correctly. If you're using the Canva desktop app on Windows, open the app, go to the File menu, then Settings, and look for the option to clear the cache. If the app won't open, press the Windows key and R, type %app data %, then open the Canva folder and remove the temporary data there. On mobile, go into your device settings, find Canva in the app list, and use the clear cache or offload option if it's available. After that, close any heavy apps running in the background. If your computer or phone is low on memory, the updater may freeze or fail. Shut down extra browser tabs, streaming apps, editing software, or anything else using a lot of system resources. This gives Canva more room to complete the update properly. If the update still fails on desktop, download a fresh installer directly from canva.com/download. Close Canva completely first, then download the version that matches your operating system and run the installer. This helps replace damaged or incomplete program files with a clean version. Finally, restart your device. This clears out lingering processes and helps the updated app start fresh. Open Canva again, sign in, and test one of your recent designs. Move an element on the canvas and make sure everything responds normally and your changes save